Right everyone, today we are in front of this stunning villa in Alanya, Turkey, in Turkish Riviera, Eastern Mediterranean. Perfect for those looking to relocate overseas and enjoy 9 months of sunshine. This fully furnished 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom villa offers 190 square meters of luxurious living space with an American-style open kitchen located within a secure complex in the sought-after Alanya Tepe area. The villa boasts breathtaking bird's-eye views over Mediterranean, the historic Alanya Castle, and mountain views with lush forests. Conveniently located, this villa is just 25 miles from Gazipasa Airport and 75 miles from Antalya Airport, making it an ideal choice for international travelers. The villa is 2,000 meters, which is approximately 1.3 miles away from the beach, allowing easy access to the beautiful Turkish Riviera coastline, priced at just £180,000. This is a rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise in one of Turkey's most desirable locations. See it with your own eyes. Follow the channel for more options of properties, apartments, villas, penthouses, as well as some lovely sightseeing videos of Alanya City.